Welcome to my channel GK for all competitive exams. Today in this video I am going to discuss most important polity questions, which is most expected questions. This video useful for upcoming SSC MTS exam, TSPSC Group 1, SI PC and TS Gurukula exams. Let's start our class.
This question is, the preamble was taken from which constitution? Option A, Britain Constitution. Option B, American Constitution. Option C, Canadian Constitution. Option D, USSR Constitution. And the correct answer for this question is option B, American Constitution. And next question is, who called the preamble as the identity code of the Indian Constitution? Option A, Jawaharlal Nehru. Option B, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Option C, N.A. Palkiwala. Option D, K.M. Munshi. And the correct answer for this question is option C, N.A. Palkiwala. And the next question is, preamble amended by which Constitutional Amendment Act? Option A, 44th Constitutional Amendment Act, 1978. Option B, 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act, 1976. Option C, Government of India Act, 1935. Option D, Government of India Act, 1990. And the correct answer for this question is option B, 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act, 1976. And the next question is, the words socialist, secular and integrity were added to the preamble by option A, 44th Amendment Act. Option B, 41st Amendment Act. Option C, 46th Amendment Act. Option D, 42nd Amendment Act. And the correct answer for this question is option D, 42nd Amendment Act. And the most important information I have given below. This information asked in many competitive exams. The 42nd Amendment Act was amended during the Prime Ministership of whom? Like these questions, many questions are asked in many amendments. That's why I have given below the Prime Minister, who was the Prime Minister during the 42nd Amendment Act. The answer for this is Mrs. Indira Gandhi. Okay, she was also the first woman Prime Minister of India. And the 42nd Amendment Act was also called as Mini Constitution of India. Why this is called as Mini Constitution of India? Because during this amendment, many changes took place. And the next question is, the preamble to the Indian Constitution was based on option A, Government of India Act 1935. Option B, Government of India Act 1919. Option C, 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act 1976. Option D, Objective Resolution. And the correct answer for this question is option D, Objective Resolution. And I have given below the most important information you have to remember. The Objective Resolution moved by Motilal Nehru. You please observe this point. Many people are confusing that Objective Resolution moved by Jawaharlal Nehru, but that is wrong. Objective Resolution moved by Motilal Nehru, who was the father of Jawaharlal Nehru. Objective Resolution moved by Motilal Nehru on December 13, 1946. This date is most important. And the Objective Resolution, which was passed on December 13, 1946, was adopted by Constituent Assembly on January 22, 1947. This information is also important.
First question. Fundamental rights are taken from which constitution? And the answer is US Constitution. Directive principles of state policy are taken from which constitution? And the answer is Irish Constitution. Parliamentary government, rule of law, single citizenship were taken from which constitution? Answer is British Constitution. Next, fundamental duties are taken from which constitution? And the answer is Soviet Union, USSR, now Russia. Concurrent list, joint sitting of the two houses of the parliament are taken from Australian Constitution. Impeachment of the President, judicial review, independence of judiciary were taken from US Constitution. Which act designated the Governor of Bengal as the Governor General of Bengal? And the answer for this question is Regulating Act of 1773. Which act made the Governor General of Bengal as the Governor General of India? And the correct answer for this question is Charter Act of 1833. Next question, which act was also known as the Act for the Good Government of India? And the answer for this question is Government of India Act of 1858. Next, in which act the designation of the Governor General of India changed to the Viceroy of India? And the answer is Government of India Act of 1858. Next question, portfolio system was introduced by whom and in which year? It was introduced by the Viceroy Lord Canning in the year 1859. Next question, Government of India Act of 1909 also known as? And the answer is Morley-Minto reforms. Lord Morley was the Secretary of State for India and Lord Minto was the then Viceroy of India. Next question, which act introduced the concept of separate electorate? And the answer is Government of India Act of 1909. Next question, Montague-Chelmsford reforms also called as Government of India Act of 1919 is the answer for this question. Next question, communal award was announced by whom? And the answer is the British Prime Minister Ramsay MacDonald announced communal award. Communal award was a scheme of representation of the minorities. Next, which act introduced diarchy? And the answer is Government of India Act of 1919. Diarchy is a term derived from the Greek word diarche, which means double rule. Next one, which act abolished diarchy in the provinces and introduced provincial autonomy in its place? And the answer is Government of India Act of 1935.